Sacred Flames, heavy attacks mark targets, light attacks detonate them. Ergo Sum, an exotic sword in Destiny 2, is included in the final shape boost. However, it's not only the sword you looked on your grave back in the corridors of time, it has the power to release exotic perks from other exotic tools. Moreover, it is the base special weapon sword in Destiny 2. Gadinsider will teach you how to get Ergo Sum, along with a rundown of the tasks that are required to be completed. How to get Ergo Sum in Destiny 2. You need to unlock Ergo Sum in Destiny 2, the final shape. Here are the steps mentioned that you will be required to get Ergo Sum. Complete the Final Shape campaign. Pick up the Destined Heroes quest. Complete Queens Part 1. Complete the Found in the Dark quest. Complete the Lost in the Light quest. Finish Destined Heroes by completing Queens Part 2 to get Ergo Sum. If you need to avail more Ergo Sum swords, you need to complete the new Pathfinder bounty system on the Pale Heart or farm the match-made model of the Overho tasks. Gadinsider has compiled the list of exotic benefits through light.gg, a database website for Destiny 2. Wolfpack Round Jallarhorn heavy attacks grant cluster missiles to sword wielders. Gathering Light Traveler's chosen stowing weapon restores ability energy based on final blows. Sacred Flame TQ's divination heavy attacks mark targets and light attacks detonate them. The perfect 5th Polaris lance every 5 hits attaches a delayed explosion. Arc Conductor Riskrunner heavy attacks surge lightning from the user. Stormbringer Cloudstrike rapid final blows create a lightning storm. Unplanned Reprieve Telesto heavy attacks emit delayed detonating projectiles. Insectoid Robot Grenades the colony final blows deploy homing robot grenades.